What the hell? Where did you come from? Hey, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Do you want some? What's your name? I'm Matt, by the way.
Devon.
Devon? That's an unusual name. Careful, you'll make yourself sick. Where are your parents? Are you in some sort of trouble?
I'm fine.
How do you know how to do that?
Learned.
What does it catch?
Mice, rats, shrews. I have other, bigger traps.
Why do you need to set traps, Devon?
For fun.
I don't believe you. Wait! Devon! Sorry, I'm not trying to hurt you, I'm trying to help you.
Leave me alone.
Not until I know you're alright. Where are your parents?
Go back. There.
Have you run away? Whoa.
Get back.
Who are you so afraid of? Is that where you live?
Yes.
Did you build it yourself?
No.
And who did?
My brother.
And where is he?
He's not the only one.
Look, come with me. I can help you. We can go to social services, police, the hospital, anything you want.
They'd find me.
Who'd find you?
The people who keep looking for me. The authorities. I don't really know who they are. They just keep telling me that a girl like me shouldn't be living out here in the woods.
Don't you think they've got a point?
They shouldn't interfere. I just want to be left alone. I like living here, as we have done for years.
Devon, exactly how long have you lived like this? What about school? What about eating properly? What about your mother?
You ask too many questions. How do I know you're not one of them?
Me? I'm just a guy out on a hike.
Are you?
Yes. Surely you believe me. Devon.
I'm sorry.
Devon, just put the knife down. Devon! Devon!
I did tell you.
Devon! 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 Devon!
I did tell you I had other, bigger traps.